one of my friend bought Bitcoin when the price of it was just $5,000. So he identified the trend in the proper way, he found a good entry point, he put the stop loss and the take profit, and he closed this position by take profit when Bitcoin reached $15,000. And sometimes it really happen, so we can do everything in the proper way, we close position by the take profit, but the price still moving in the same direction. So what should we do next? Should we trade, continue following this trend? Should we stop and wait for the opposite? So guys, this is what exactly I want to talk with you in our today's video, because we continue to dive deeper into the ABC trading concept. I already showed you how to identify the new trend, where to put the stop loss, the take profit, where to put the reversal levels, but today I will show you new entry point, how to trade following the trend that we identified before. So let's start. Right now in front of your screen you can see the chart of the Bitcoin. Especially I want to show you daily chart, because last signal of changing trend and signal of opening new position was in the middle of the March 2023, you see, and the trend was identified successfully. We put the stop loss, we put the take profit, and the take profit was reached at the price of 39,000. Like, nice position, yes, but what should we do next? This is the point. Should we lost all this trend? Because as we know, current price of the Bitcoin, it's 98,000. That's why, guys, I was telling you, I will teach you and I will show you not just the strategy with one way how you can open position. That's why I'm calling ABC trading concept, and it's including different varieties of the opening position. So guys, what we should do in this kind of situation, let me show you in this video. So guys, right now in front of you, you can see gold and the situation where we can see creation of the new trend, and with our indicator we can see this narrow as confirmation that new trend is starting. Then, for example, we decide to put take profit somewhere here. Of course, I'm recommending to find the right placement through the optimization and based on the history, but this is just example. We decide to put our take profit here because, for example, stop loss will be under the wave B, so ratio is working for us. We are moving forward. And as we can see, yes, it's really nice. Position was successfully closed by the take profit, but then we can see correction. So what should we do? We close position, maybe it will like move forward in the same direction 1 week more. That's why I'm recommending to trade, continue to trade. Every time we can see the impulse and breaking this impulse in direction of the trend, how it's look like on the chart, because we can find different type of correction. Some of them it's simple like that, but another one you see it's long one. So that's why we need to know how to react in different kind of situations. Let me draw for you quickly. So we have a trend, it's confirmed, and we took the take profit, and then we have a correction, impulse against the trend. What does it mean, impulse? This is not like one candle of the movement. This is the crossing of two moving averages with the minimum distance of the ATR. You see, every time we still like going back to our first videos. That's why I highly recommend you to watch every video. If you will do all these things manually, checking all the movings, it will be too much annoying and boring for you. That's why we create this indicator. So you still didn't get this indicator, 100% recommend you to message me, because in indicator all this drama will appear just as the yellow line. So we have it, and then when we have a crossing of this correction towards the trend, it means in the same direction what we have trend. Right now trend is going up, we have a crossing, and we can easily open position here. We will try again to trade the trend. So we can put our stop loss like under our wave B or a little bit down. We can use some multipliers so we can count this distance, high and low of this correction, and put like 2 times lower, and the same with the take profit. How we'll find all these details? Through, of course, our optimization. You see here, it was again A, B, C, but why it didn't show us the narrow to start trading on the sell? Because it didn't cross reversal level. But we will trade following the trend. When it's breaking this level, we will calculate our take profit, and it will go in direction of the trend. As we can see here, it was very nice signal. You see here, beautiful, very nice signal, and we took a nice take profit. But let me show you right now how it looked like especially in the bot, and how you can trade even not without like a starting point, you know. So we are moving to this point when indicator will not be able to handle all entry points in comparison with the bot. So let's go to the bot. I will show you the settings and I will show you what kind of results it's producing exactly at the charts, you know, based on the history. Why, guys, we create this trading bot? Because every time my words I want to confirm and prove through the backtest to show you exactly that it's working, how it's working, and what kind of results it's producing. So for right now, we are open again gold, M5. Why M5? Because as I told you in the previous video, if we want to get the best from this trading bot, we need to use it on the M5. Of course, if you're trading manually, for example, you are swing trader or positional trading, go to the H1, go to the H4 daily chart. It's more than enough for you to generate a good profit. But if you have a chance to use the bot, use as maximum instrument as it possible and go to the lower time frame, because it will give you chance to generate the huge amount of the profit. So let us go to this example. I took the like a back test for the 1 year, and let me go for the inputs. By the way, this is the ABC bot version 3. As I told you, every time when I will show you some new additional feature, we will include it into the bot. You can easily get it just by messaging me and you can run it. This is the point. So after even like a first hour video when I was talking about indicator and about bot, you can start trading even right now. So we are going to the inputs. We have our like fast moving averages 1, slow 50. We have this Benz level ATR, the minimum distance between the moving average ATR multiplied 2. So A wave creation type, you see, just through break turn point. This is the feature that I show you in the previous video. So of course, if we know something new, we will use in our bot. But what I put something different here, what I want to show you, I don't want to trade in the beginning of the trend, you see. So I put no open buy trend create. In the beginning I don't want to trade, I want to trade just following the trend, you see. So I put the open buy impulse create. We have a chance to choose what kind of impulse, you see, after like impulse simple one or just fake ABC. I'll choose open by impulse create. Why? Because I want like bigger activity on my account. We have 0.02 and we have a stop loss like a multiplier, so we will put stop loss will be by impulse and ATR, multiplier will be 1. So how it will look like, you see, when the impulse creating, we have a trend, we have an impulse, and when it will break, we'll put the stop loss under this impulse, and regarding the take profit, we'll put it by ATR. So we will take the current ATR in the market, multiply 4 times higher. Price should move 4 times higher than average ATR, and let me show you the result, what it can produce for me for 1 year just with the trading volume of 0.01. Let me run it to see the chart. And as you can see, it's totally different. It's totally different equity. For me, the most important, what I want to show, what I want to see right now, I want to see the accuracy, you know, because as I told you, when we are trading starting point of the new trend, our accuracy will be way more lower in comparison for this kind of signal. So we are going for our back test, total net profit without even trading beginning of the trend. We have $815 in plus, with the maximum risk just $100, recovery factor 7.87, which is really nice. And guys, profit trades, you see, profit trades 70%. So let me show you quickly how to run the bot on your account. First of all, you need to install bot in your terminal. I already show you, but I will repeat one more time. When you got from me the file of the bot, you should install this folder file, open data folder, then we are going for MQL5 and for the experts, and we need to pass the file of the bot exactly here. So for the MetaTrader 4, the files will be EX4. For MetaTrader 5 that currently I'm using, it will be EX5. Then we are going for the button to click here, allow algo trading, or for example, we are going tools, options, expert advisors, and we need allow algorithmic trading. This is also very important. Then when we did some backtest and optimization and we're happy with the settings, so for example this one that I show you, I'm really happy with the results and with the equity what it's producing, I want to go for my inputs and then I'm saving them. And for example, I want to put ABC bot V3 and I want to put for the goal to identify USD. Done, it's saved. Then what I'm doing, I'm highly recommend you to do all these things on the VPS. You should buy additional VPS for the few bucks per month. It's not so expensive. I will check and I will leave the links in the description to this video about some good VPS that I'm using. So we are going for the gold, clicking the right button. I want to open the new chart. You see, new chart of the gold. Very important to open time frame, exactly the same time frame what we want to use. Like in my current case, I want to use M5. Then I'm searching for my bot. We have a bot version 3. I'm dragging it on the chart. I love algo trading, and then inputs. Going to the inputs, and I need to like upload my inputs that I saved before. So we have ABC bot V3 for the gold. Open and then clicking OK and done. Bot right now installed on my account. Especially you will have a confirmation, you see in the right corner of your chart when it's like this cap is blue, it means that bot already running on your account. So this is it. So guys, this is it for that video. Don't forget to message me to get this bot or the indicator. Of course, if you prefer to trade manually, but even take the bot, do all optimization and trade like manually, it's up to you. The most important point that this strategy can generate for your money, so don't lose your chance and make money with us. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in our next one's video, because I still have a lot of the things that I supposed to show you and that will really help you to generate the profit. See you in our next videos.